Hey, welcome to day 3 where we're gonna cover conversion mastery. See you in a second. Alright, very excited for today. As you can see here on my board, I did this to save some time. So this is the conversion mastery. And like I said, this is where the magic happens. And this is the most important part because this is what makes people go from lead to a customer. So we're going to go over this. I'm going to go on detail so you can understand how this works. So on day 1, we went over the 7 steps to online domination. Day 2, we find an offer, right? Showed you how to find an offer. And today it's mastery conversion. So here we have the traffic. And traffic we're going to talk about tomorrow, the last day. So here's what's happening. We send in traffic in that goes to our landing page that we talked yesterday. I showed you how to engineer a landing page that converts. For you to be able to do all this, of course, you need, like I said, the tool, which is ClickFunnels or Builderwall, the one I use. And you can grab that at fabioorique.com/tools. So now let me break this down. So the traffic comes in, the eyeballs, people come into your landing page. Now they put here their email, right? And their email will come here to your autoresponder. Your autoresponder. By the way, I use Aweber. Not Aweber, I'm sorry. I use Git Response. And so people, the traffic comes to the landing page, they put in their email, and I get their email here on my autoresponder. And so the email goes here, and what happens is I send them an email right here. I send them an email straight away to the bridge page. And also on day 2, email number 2, I also send them an email to the bridge page video. And this happens on automatically. I've set all these. So this is email 1, email 2, email 3, email 4, email 5, and email 6. These emails are all set up here on your autoresponder. What is the bridge page? The bridge page, let me go here. Let me grab my black pen. So a bridge page is just, it's a page where you have a video, of yourself telling your story. You motivate people, and basically you tell your story and you inspire people. Now you may say, oh Fabio, but I don't have a story to go ahead and tell people. You can always borrow other people's story. You can tell a story of one of your team members, right? So if you haven't done any sales, and also I recommend you share if you made money, right, online. So pretty much tell your story, and this video needs to be between 3 to 5 minutes. This video, and this is the bridge page. It's called the bridge page. So it has a video, and over here you have a link to your offer, to your offer link, where I showed you yesterday how to get your offer link on ClickBank. So you put here the link to your offer, right? So this is a small video you make, and this could be just with, you can make a professional video. It's best if it's good to have good lighting. I have a lighting over here. I have a good quality microphone. So it's important that you have quality in place. If you don't have a good mic and a good camera and good lighting, you can always do outside or somewhere you have good lighting, and with your phone you can just tell your story with your phone and inspire people and just tell people a little bit about you. That's what you want to do here on the bridge video. So let's go back here. Right. So we are here, we're at the bridge page. So here we have our offer link. So it goes to our offer. And then what happens is on day 3, over here, the autoresponder will send them an email on day 3 pointing to the value series video. The value series video, which is, by the way, I'm here, right now you are here on the value series 3, video 3, right here. And so you can see, I make on the page that you are right now, you can see this is a value series. You have you will see a title on top. You will see this video, which is me right now. And then on the bottom, you will also see the link to the workshop and also comments below. So that's how you do a value series. Pretty much, a value series is. So you have here the the title. In this case is Mastery Conversions. Mastery Conversions. You have a title. You just have a video, and here on the value series, what you're doing is you're showing them how to do whatever you're teaching. In my case, I'm showing you how to make money online using the power of the internet and showing you how it's done the right way, the pro way. So I'm showing and teaching you skills and good information on how to do it. And the way you can do this is you can go through your so if you go through let's say you buy the offer that you're promoting, you learn stuff inside and then you teach on these value series, right? And then here you have a button with the link to the offer, and then you can have some comments on the bottom, right? So value series is just like this. You have a page like this, right? So just the one you're on right now, right? So this is the value series. So you have video, video 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see the example just by what you're seeing right now, right? So let me recap real quick. So traffic comes here to the landing page. The landing page captures the email here on the autoresponder, and it goes right away to the bridge video. Goes right away to the bridge video, and the email 1 on that exact same day, it will send them straight to the email will point to the bridge video, and email number 2 on the next day, it's gonna point also to the bridge video. And then on email number 3, it will send them to the value series number 1. This value series will send them to the offer. Value series number 2 also will send them straight to the offer. Value number 3. Series number 3 is going to send them also to the offer, and value series number 4, it's also going to send them to the offer right here. This is one of the value series pages. So you have the title, the video, and link to the offer, right? So this is pretty much how it's done. So as you can see, this is looks a little bit a lot, but it's actually very simple. And so you need these tools. You need either ClickFunnels or Builderall. I use Builderall, and you also need an autoresponder. It's a must-have. So so you go to fabiooric.com/tools, and you can grab these tools. So that's what you want to do. You send them. So the first 6 days, you send email 1, email 2, email 3, email 4, email 5, email 6. And then your lead is knowing you, so they are knowing you, they are trusting you, they are liking you because you give him all these value, right? And this is the formula, guys, that really makes all the difference. This is it. You implement this stuff and you will see amazing results. And now you may ask, but whoa, I don't have the skills to do these videos. You have to, yeah, if you really want this, you have to do it, or else you can go on the link that I have below this video to the workshop. It's the system that I use, and there they have funnels, where they build funnels where you can just promote those funnels, and they convert, they are tested, they are really good. So you can do that and start from there and learn from that workshop. Is just the best around. If you're more advanced, because this is a little bit advanced, but if you think you can do this, then just grab this and do this, and you will see results and you will be amazed. This is the proper way to do it. You're building that trust with people over here. You're giving value to people over here about your offer, right? Because the offer, the workshop, that the link that I have below, it talks about this. This is their formula to conversion, right? You're building that trust with people that know, like, and trust, right? So you've sent 6 emails, and you want to do that in the beginning so you can build that trust with them. But then after you send those emails, you wanna keep sending them emails, which we call the broadcast emails. And broadcast emails, it's just emails you send to your list. But now, what most people do is, and what people teach online is, send an email every day to your list, 1 or 2, and it's just the wrong way. It's not a good way to do it. You want to send, because imagine people sending you emails every day. You get so tired of it that you unsubscribe to it. And myself, when I get people emailing me in my inbox every day, I just get pissed off and I just unsubscribe from them. That's what I do. So you don't want to be that person, that you don't want to do that way. What you want to do is you want to send them an email like every week or every 2 to 3 days. Here's what you want to do on your broadcasts. You want to do is you can send them, and you just do an email. Hey, Fabio here. I hope you like the values, the training that I gave you, the what I'm going through and what's been helping me, and then you give them the link to the offer, right? So you do this, and then what you want to do, give them value. Like, you can send them to a video, but giving them value, and then you lead them to the offer, right? And then you lead them to the offer. And also, what you want to do is you want to send them emails with just value, just pure value, because you want to be cool. You want to be someone that people look at you and that this guy is really helping me. You want to give value. You want to stand out from the crowd. You really want to give so much value to your lead that they are blown away by the care and love that you're providing to them. You want to do that throughout the next days, and just keep emailing them every 2 to 3 days, or once a week. And that is broadcast, and you configure all of that on your autoresponder. I use GetResponse. Very important. Send email 1, email 2, email 3, email 4, email 5, email 6, and then you go through the broadcast. You send them the offer, straight to offer. Then you send them value with the video offer, and then value, and you work that way up. And it just keeps going, because the thing here, what happens is when you capture their email over here, you are their email is going to a list on your autoresponder. You have a list, and that list grows, and that's an asset, something you have that you can. So you're marketing to them this product, but then you can market another product, another type, like how to lose weight. I'm doing this on how to make money online, how you can make money online, but you can do this for anything you can think of. Let's say you're doing bodybuilding and you show them how to get muscles. So the value video number one will be what supplements you need to take in order to get your protein and all that kind of stuff, and then what exercises on video 2 and on video 3, you know, things about the offer. And if you don't know what to do this video, if you don't know what to do, you just can, like I said, go to the offer and grab content from there and put into the value series. Or if you want to do something similar to what I'm doing, you can just do exactly what I'm doing, just put it on your own words and just change things a bit, and there you have it, right? That's the formula. That's what you're gonna stand out from the crowd. And if you do this, everything you're gonna do everything's gonna become easier for you. So here, on the value series, what you do is you teach people how to be successful with affiliate marketing or whatever product you're promoting, right? So let me recap real quick. So we have the traffic here. We have the traffic, goes to the landing page. Then it goes to our autoresponder. Our autoresponder will send them an email to the bridge page on day 1. On day 2, it's gonna send them an email to the bridge page again. On day 3, it's gonna send them an email to the value series number 1, video number 1, value series. On day number 4, it's gonna send them an email to value series number 2, to value video number 2, right? On day 5, it's gonna send them an email to value series number 3. And on day 6, it's gonna send them an email to value series number 4. And those value series will all lead them, like I said right there, will all lead them to the offer, to the ching ching, to the offer. And that's it. Then you broadcast every 2 to 3 days with the offer, providing a lot of value, and then offer and value, because you want people to know, like, and trust you. And that's it for this video. This is pure gold. So tomorrow we're gonna go over the traffic. That's it for this video. Oh, step 1, register to the workshop. Maybe you've been through the workshop. Step 2, comment below what you thought about this video. Go ahead and ask any question you have. I'll be more than happy to go ahead on over and reply to you. And that's it. Look for your email, because tomorrow we're going to talk about traffic.